Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 27th. Back on March the 9th, I put 5 seeds into these little pods, and those seeds were already germinated. I had started them off in paper towel, and I'd say they were in the paper towel 3 or 4 days. But anyway, so March the 9th, they went into these pods, and then I got them into the area where my LED grow lights are, and I started them off, and I think they look pretty good. They've got some pretty nice stems going on there. Hopefully you can see that. I'll zoom in, and you can see there's a lot of those little hairs here on each one of them, so they look really healthy. Let me just spin it around this way. Anyway, so I've seen a lot of this stuff with the red solo cups, and no, I'm not going to sing the song, even though I see the red solo cups and I want to sing that song. But anyway, it's the red solo cup little planter trick, so I'm going to try it out myself. So what I've done is I took 2 of them and I just cut off the edges with scissors, and that was like really easy, and then I just trimmed them just to make them a little bit larger. So I've got that one there. Maybe the camera can see that better if I do it this way. Let me just see. Can you see that? But anyway, so I've got 2 of them. There we go. So there we've got those. So, oh yeah, I should just tilt those up so you can see them. So we're going to just try the experiment like everybody else has been doing on YouTube, because I'm very curious now. So what I've learned is that these little plants, you can get them going, and then you can add a lot of soil to these. Let me lift them out. Let me lift this guy out. Let's just take a little look. Oh, they smell nice. And you can see the little root system going. A lot of roots, and those roots are really saying, you know what, I need a new home. So anyway, so here we go. And so what I've realized is that you can add soil not just up to here. You can add soil right up to here, right up to where you're kind of start seeing. I guess it's the first little set of leaves. I guess that's how far I should go up. But anyway, so I'm just going to do this. It's not going to be a great video, but we're going to try it out and see what happens. So I'm going to add some of this in here, and I'm going to place that in there. And so I'm going to say that's probably about right. So if I look at it, let's just look at it together. It looks about, yeah, I'd say I could even probably take a little bit more out. So let's do that. And let's just, because as this grows I can actually add a little bit more. So I'm going to say that that's pretty good. So let me just tilt that up. And I think that looks good. And then we're just going to start filling that. I'm going to get it centered and then start filling that up. And the potting soil that I'm using is some stuff I bought off of Amazon. It's Miracle Grow potting mix. So it's got, you know, I guess a little, you know, nutrients in it. And then we'll just get that up like that. So this is looking good. Okay. That looks nice. Just get it right down. I might add a little bit more soil to it, but I think that looks really good. So let's just tilt that up. So I'm going to lift it out of here. Look at that. So that looks really nice. So those pellets are put there for aeration so that you can keep the bottom of this inner cup from touching the bottom. So there we go. So that one there, and then you can see where the little slits are right there, and then we drop that in like that, and basically that's it, and then you just have to water it. So I think that looks pretty good. So I've got, I don't know how many I'm going to do. I guess I'm going to do them all, but I'm not going to do them all on tape. So what I'll do is I'll just whip through this on my own, and then I'll come back and I'll just show you what I've done. Alright, I'm back. I haven't finished yet, but I thought I would just show you how I cut off the corners. So I just grab my scissors, super easy. And that looks good, just like that. There we go. Alright, I'm back. I'm on my last one. I figured, you know what, I'm going to come back and just do this. This is actually really relaxing, and it's very fun. So I love these tweezers. I've started buying stuff on AliExpress, a lot cheaper than Amazon. Anyway, these work extremely well to get in here. So I'm just going to pop this out. Look at this. Really nice. And then I'm going to just drop that in. And so I think that looks pretty good. And I'm just going to center it and then get the soil in there. Yeah, this is very, very relaxing. I didn't realize I was going to enjoy this much. And I've wanted to do this video now for about a week. I kept putting it off. And then I finally said, okay, I gotta go get the solo cups. Let's sing the song. Anybody want to sing? I'm just joking. Okay, let's get that in there. I think that looks nice. Okay, let's just make sure that we've got the cuts. Yep, we've got our little slits on the bottom here. And then we've got our little pebbles. And then I'm just going to drop those right in there like that. I don't think I've shown these before, so I'll just bring them in here. You know what? I bought these on Amazon a few years ago, and the price, it's gone up. I don't know, like 5 times as expensive as when I bought these, maybe 3 years ago. Unbelievable. How many are in here? Does it say Hydro? This is Hydro Farm. Well, it just says 10 liters, 0.35 cubic feet. So there you go. And that bag, yeah, very, very light, you know, in weight. So let's get through these. So there we go. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which way do we gotta go? This way. Get on camera. And look at that. So I am really happy that these are in the cups now. One thing that I'm gonna mention, I'm new to these grow lights that I have. And I was getting a little paranoid that the plants were not close enough. So for a long time I had the grow lamps very, very close to these leaves. And I noticed on some of my plants, do I have any on this? No. I started getting a little bubbles on the leaves. And I'm pretty sure that that is because the plant is too close to the light source. So that on each one of the little leaves you'd see like little bubbles. And I've never seen that before, even gardening outside. So I'm pretty sure that it's the, just being too close to the lights. But anyway, so there we go. So let me just bring them in like that. I think that looks good. So I guess I'm going to, water these off camera and get them back under my grow lights for the rest of the day. And that's it. So I'm really happy with these. These look awesome. So that's it for this really fast video. Was it a fast video? I don't know, but it was a fun video. It was a fun video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one, and I will keep you updated on these. Thanks very much. See you later. Thanks for watching.